Mama, please stop crying. I can't stand the sound. Your pain is painful and it's staring me down. And I hear glasses breaking as I sit up in my bed. And I told Dad you didn't mean those nasty things you said. You fight about money, about me and my brother. And this I come home to. And this is my shelter. It ain't easy growing up in World War III. Never know what love could be, you'll see. I don't want love to destroy me like it has done my family. Can we work it out? Can we be a family? I promise I'll be better. Mommy, I'll do anything. Can we work it out? And can we be a family? I promise I'll be better. Daddy, please don't leave. Now, Daddy, please stop yelling. I can't stand the sound. Make Mama stop crying, 'cause I need you around. But Mama, she loves you. No matter what she says, it's true. I know that she hurts you, but remember I love you too. And I run away today, run from the noise, run away. I don't want to go back to that place, but I don't have no choice, no way. It ain't easy growing up in World War III. Never know what love could be, you'll see. I don't want love to destroy me like it has done my family. Can we work it out? And can we be a family? I promise I'll be better. Mommy, I'll do anything. Now can we work it out? And can we be a family? I promise I'll be better. Daddy, please don't leave. And in a family portrait, we look pretty happy. Let's play pretend that like it goes naturally. Oh, I don't want to have to split the holidays. I don't want to address it. I don't want to step brother anyways. And I don't want my mama ever change her last name. Whoa.
No po tomto kole už s Machalom nemáte až tak veľa spoločné. Podľa mňa toto bol tvoj najlepší výkon, ktorý si odspieval v súťaži. Bolo to absolútne presvedčivé. Tam som ani na chvíľu nerozmýšľal nad tým, že by si nemal byť spevák. A budem konkrétny, keby som si mal vybrať medzi tebou a Leom, tak si vyberiem teba do finále určite.
Ale to není tak, že bych chtěl Palo někoho navádět, jak má hlasovat. To ne. To je čistě jenom jeho názor, abys rozuměl. Podívej se, Bene, ty jsi pro mě byl takový ten barák na odstřel, prostě pár kol už jsem přemýšlel, co tady vlastně děláš minule, že katastrofa. Ale dneska se ti to povedlo. Člověče. Dneska jsi vybral tu správnou písničku. Byl to ten prožitek, jako kdyby si takového zažil, bylo to uvěřitelný, přes ten tvůj úžasný image a style a všecko, jako šlo to kres.